Hi, we often get asked how to clean ceramic tiles, porcelain tiles, stone tiles, any type of stone, terracotta, marble, all that type of thing. And we always say the same thing to people: use a pH neutral cleaner. It's got to be a pH neutral cleaner. If you've got a stone tile, if it's been sealed, all stone tiles are sealed, so you've got to use a pH neutral cleaner. This one's called Neutral Tile Cleaner. And the reason for that is bleach and flash and Jif, even washing up liquids, which are degreasers, will strip a sealer off within either a few weeks, depends how strong the product is. Bleach will strip it off within a week maybe. But a weaker product that you probably get in the shopping centres will strip it off within 5 to 6 months. And it's so slow you don't notice it straight away. So if you use a pH neutral cleaner every week, thereafter, it will not strip your seal off, and that way your seal you'll get the best out of it. If you just spent a small fortune or spent a lot of time cleaning and sealing your stone or your tiles, terracotta, Victorian, whatever, you've got to use a pH cleaner. It doesn't have to be ours, this is the one we sell, but it's got to say pH neutral cleaner. And there's a demonstration I'm going to do now, which I'm going to take you through. I'll just put this down. Now, it'll say on the back of the bottle, use half a cap for small areas, 2.5 to 3 litres of water, or if you're using 5 litres of water, which is quite a lot for a standard floor, a full cap. So I'm just going to use half a cap, and I'm going to put it on, into this bucket here. Now you'll notice I've got 2 buckets, not one. It's called the 2 bucket system. And the reason for that, if I use this bucket, which is empty right now, to clean the floor, and then use the same bucket to clean the floor, I'm going to be putting dirty floor water onto a clean bucket, and then thus transporting dirty, what was a clean water, is now dirty water back onto the floor. So that's not going to work for us. So if you want a clean floor, do it this way. So, part 2, jug of water with the cleaning solution. Like I said, I'm just using half a cap full, you don't need a lot. And I'm going to just pour it onto the tiles, like so, back into there. So that's your first bucket. This is your second bucket, your mop bucket, okay? You just mop the tiles and the grout at the same time. And you don't really want a massive amount of water down. If you get too much down, you just rinse it out there. That way this mop stays clean. It stays virtually clean. And then if it does get grimy, if it is a really dirty floor, then basically just rinse under the outdoor tap till you get the dirt off, and then start again. That way you're not putting dirt back onto a dirty floor. And that's called the 2 bucket system. And that's all you get. There we go, just get rid of that there. Now, also, we have something called grout brushes, which we sell on the website. If you've got you can put them on a pole as well. But just to demo, you just get that in like so, and that in so. And if you've got any groovy grout lines, you see them up coming out, this does the trick. So that's just a grout brush, we sell them on the website. Onto the grout, onto the grout tiles. Put that on like so, come out again, get rid of the dirty grout, back into the bucket. So that's called neutral tile cleaner. It's concentrated. You don't need a great deal. Half a cap full is for most floors. If you've got a bigger floor, that's 5 litres of water, pretty much half a bucket. That'll take 10 litres. So that'll be a full cap full. But the instructions are on the back if you need any further advice.